Today we're diving into how to research like a pro, whether it's a quick essay or a 20-page monster. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by research or didn't know where to start, this video is for you. Great research starts with a great question. Before you type anything into Google, define exactly what you're trying to explore. Ask yourself, what do I want to find out? Or, what am I arguing? If your question is too broad, narrow it down. If it's too narrow, zoom out. Getting clear on your question will save you hours later. Now that you have your question, it's time to find credible sources. Wikipedia is great for background, but it shouldn't be your main source. Use it to get a basic overview, then scroll to the bottom and check out the citations. That's where the gold is. A professional researcher knows how to hunt in the right places. Your school or local library probably gives you access to databases like JSTOR, EBSCOhost, or Gale. These platforms are loaded with academic journal articles, magazines, newspapers, and other reliable sources. Learning to use them is a skill that pays off big time. When you're searching, be strategic. Don't type the whole question into the search bar. Break it down into key terms and try different combinations. For example, if you're researching the impact of social media on teen mental health, search terms like social media, teenager, mental health, depression, and anxiety. Better your keywords, the better your results. Next, evaluate your sources. Ask yourself, who wrote this? When was it published? Is there a bias? Is it backed up by real evidence? A blog post from 2010 with no sources is probably not a great reference. A peer-reviewed article back from 2023 is much better. Keep your sources organized from the start. Use a Google Doc, Word file, or a tool like Zotero or EasyBib, including full citations as you go, not just links. Nothing's worse than finding the perfect quote and forgetting where it came from. Knowing when to quote and when to paraphrase. Quoting is great for powerful statements or unique phrasing, but your paper shouldn't be just a string of other people's words. Show you understand the material by putting it into your own words and still cite it. Real research means engaging with the material, not just copying and pasting. Take notes in your own words, summarize arguments, write down how the information connects to your thesis. This helps you think critically and avoid accidental plagiarism. Use the 3-bucket method. As you research, sort your findings into 3 categories: background information to set the stage, supporting evidence to back your arguments, and opposing views to show you've considered other sides. For example, if you're writing about climate change, background could be how greenhouse gases work. Supporting evidence might be rising sea levels, and an opposing view might argue that climate change is natural. Don't be afraid to adjust your thesis as you go. Sometimes research leads you in a new direction. That's not a failure, that's learning. Stay flexible and let your argument grow as you discover new evidence. Research isn't just about collecting information, it's about thinking. Ask yourself, what's the main argument here? Do I agree with it? How does it connect with my topic? What questions does this raise? Active reading helps you make better connections and build a stronger argument. Don't ignore primary sources. If you're writing about history, literature, or current events, go to the source. That could mean a historical document, a novel, a speech, or raw data. Primary sources give your paper originality and depth. Once your research is done, organize your ideas before you start writing. Create an outline, put your evidence in order, and think about how each source supports your thesis. A strong outline is the backbone of a strong paper. Always cite your sources. Plagiarism isn't just about copying words, it's about taking credit for ideas that aren't yours. If you're not sure whether to cite something, cite it. It's better safe than sorry. To sum it up, start with a strong question, search smart, evaluate your sources, take thoughtful notes, and stay organized. Research isn't just a step, it's what powers your argument. Do it well and everything gets easier. If this has helped you, like and subscribe for more tips on writing, studying, and succeeding in school. Got a research tip of your own? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to hear it. Thank you for watching and happy researching.